Xbox has just dropped its latest game dump, and it's a bittersweet mix of heavy-hitting hits and sudden goodbyes. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the tech and gaming news. Fresh off the massive hype of last month's blockbusting debut of Forza Horizon 6, Microsoft is cooling things down just a tiny bit for the start of June. For now, the big headline grabber is the spectacular return of anime mega hit Persona 5 Royal. If you need something totally different, the list is packed with strange and wild treats. Gamers can dive into the floating island of Solarpunk, throw some brutal punches in the boxing ring with Undisputed, or chill out with Beastro, a quirky, cozy life sim that somehow features deck-building puppets. Day One fans will also get a huge treat to the early access launch of Starseeker Astroneer Expeditions, a brand new space adventure completely focused on chaotic teamwork. Plus, former PC exclusives Hurdling and Total Chaos are finally jumping over to the Game Pass premium tier. But as always, Microsoft giveth and Microsoft take the way. You have to scramble and finish some absolute bangers before they vanish forever. The chopping block is brutal this time, taking down a giant dinosaur park simulator Jurassic World Evolution 2 and the gorgeous fantasy rolling action of Lost in Random The Eternal Dive. Cult classic brawlers like both Scott Pilgrim vs. the World and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge are also leaving the service. Finally, the ultimate grimdark action package Warhammer 40k Space Marine Master Crafted Edition is also being deleted. Dust off your controller, download them right now, and start playing before the timer runs out. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider. Click on the bell icon so you never miss any update.